Heyo, what's up you guys? It's your boy Taylor Graham with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about, you guessed it, the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Dominique of Wellington, Colorado. Over the winter, we had our roof leak due to ice damming. If you don't know what that is, Google it. It's very damaging. And it flooded one of our bedrooms and leaked through the floor. We called our insurance company rep right away and they sent a woman over to check our roof. She did a thorough inspection and told us all the damage should be 100% covered due to the roof leaking. She said it was really bad and was going to do a report. Out of nowhere, the report came back and said we had lichen on our roof and nothing will be covered. Which was completely false, and the lady never even mentioned that. We had to fight again with them. They sent another woman over and she breezed through the inspection and never even checked the roof. She told us our house was fine even though we have a leak and now mold due to that leak. Okay. Unfortunately, even I deal with this when the adjuster at the property is just a yes person. A yes man or a yes woman just saying yes, 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 there's damage. Yes, we think it should be covered. But guess what? Until it's in writing, it's hard to prove, okay? And sometimes I will be on the roof with engineers, these professional engineers that are hired by these insurance companies, get paid repeatedly from these insurance companies, that these insurance companies are their only clients. Do you think that engineer or that engineering firm is gonna bite the hand that feeds them? Absolutely not. I've been on a roof, okay, where an engineer, I pointed out 20 hits per square, meaning 20 hail hits on a comp shingle roof in a 100 square foot area, a 10 foot by 10 foot square, okay? And took pictures. I took pictures of him inspecting the 20 hits, okay? His report, and he agrees on there, on the roof, he's like, oh yeah, this is hail damage, I don't see any reason why this isn't gonna get paid for. Okay, his report comes back. No hail damage at all. He takes very strategic pictures of the corner of the roof and the corner of the ridge and showing no hail damage at all. None. What? I have pictures of you, Mr. Engineer, taking an inspection and looking at 20 hail hits on this slope of the roof, and on the roof, you tell me, yes, there's a ton of hail damage. I think we're gonna have this covered, no problem. Okay, and then I get the report back, no hail damage, right? That's because these people work for the insurance company or are contracted by the insurance company on a repetitive basis, and they get paid from these insurance companies, and they get paid very well from these insurance companies, okay? The insurance adjuster works for the insurance company. Guess who we work for? We work for you, the policyholder, the property owner, okay? We work on your behalf for your best interest to get you the best result of the claim that we can possibly get. Do you think the insurance companies like us? No. You know why? Because we put the insurance companies to task on the policy and what the policy covers. If the policy covers it and it was legitimately damaged by a storm or a covered cause of peril in that policy, then it should be covered and you should be fully indemnified and made whole just as good or better than before the loss. That's the basics of all insurance policies, okay? Anyhow, my point is, if you have a hailstorm or some sort of damage, fire damage at your property, commercial, industrial, or in northern Colorado, we might look at your residential claim, okay? If you have a claim and you need help, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.